Hey cruisers, if you're getting ready for your first cruise and you're staring at your suitcase wondering what the heck do I even pack, well don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm walking you through exactly what to bring in your carry-on, your checked bag, and what to totally skip so your cruise is light, stress-free, and way more fun. So here's why smart packing matters. Okay, really quick check. Cruise line cabins, they're small, storage is tight, closets are narrow, so if you overpack, you'll be stepping all over your stuff all week long. Really sucks, don't do it. And let's not even talk about airline baggage fees. Packing smarter means less hassle, less clutter, and more room for souvenirs, which is always a win. And then we have our carry-on must-haves. Let's start with carry-ons because your big suitcase, it probably won't show up to your cabin for hours much later after you board. Been there. Here's what always goes in my carry-on. Swimsuit, because yes, the pool is calling by 2 p.m., flip-flops, sunscreen, my phone charger, any meds I need, including motion sickness stuff, and of course all of my docs, passports, IDs, boarding passes. I also like to throw in a snack or two, just in case I get hungry before I get on the cruise. What to pack in your checked bag. Now let's talk about what goes in your main suitcase. You'll want comfy clothes for daytime, shorts, skis, sundresses, a couple of dinner outfits, especially if your cruise has a formal night, check. Excursion gear like sneakers, water shoes, lightweight jacket. Trust me, even on the deck, you can get cold because it gets breezy. And shoes, 2-3 pairs max, you don't need 6. I learned that the hard way. So what are some of the common packing mistakes? Here's where a lot of first-time cruisers mess up, and I've definitely made a few of these myself. Full-size shampoo bottles, don't do it. Use travel-size bottles, or buy some when you get into port. A hairdryer, leave it, the ship has one. And those surge-protected power strips, yeah, they'll take them, especially if you're on Royal Caribbean. Check the cruise line's prohibited items list before you pack, it'll save you stress. Okay, bonus tips. Now for some of my favorite little cruise packing hacks. Bring magnetic hooks. The cabin walls are metal, and these give you extra space for hats and swimsuits and bags. Refillable water bottles are a must-have. They help you stay hydrated without having to buy water bottles all week. Packing cubes, life-changing. Everything stays neat and easy to find. Ziploc bags for wet swimsuits, leaky bottles, or stashing snacks for excursions, totally lifesavers. Wrapping up. So here's the deal. Cruising should feel easy, and when you pack light, smart, and a little bit like a pro, it really is. If this helped you, do me a favor and tap that like button for more no-nonsense cruise tips every single week. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, smooth seas and happy sailings, my friends. Bye.